Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Since it's Ramadan, so I'm going to show you Ramadan appropriate hijab tutorial. So take your hijab 200 cm by 70 cm, place it on your head and then make sure it's one long and then one short. Take the long one and then bring it to the back like so. And then pin the long one and then the short one together. Take your pin and then pin on the side of your head. After that, tidy up a little bit and make sure everything is okay. And you're basically done. It's fully covered in the front and then also at the back. So enjoy. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.